Hi everyone, welcome back. This is in continuation to my previous videos on automating the registration process for your webinar or for your classes or for any coaches. So basically, what this thing will do is that, for example, if you have a web page just like this, I have integrated the AI chatbot agent uh, to this particular web page, right? So basically, what it will do is uh, you can interact with this particular AI chatbot agent, and you can ask any questions to this particular agent related to this particular webinar. Because in the previous videos, as I just gave you the examples, that I made this file related to this particular webinar just to check it out. But if you check on the use cases, it can be enormous, as we discussed in our first part one video, right? So basically what this particular AI chatbot will do, like if someone asks about this particular webinar, it will capture his name or her name, phone number, address, and interest, and it will put it to the Google Sheet. So as of today, I have these particular things in place, right? So we have 7 records as of today. And my flow, AI agent flow, is here, which is actually uh, up and working. Basically, yes, I have used OpenAI chat model. I have used Pinecone vector. I have used other vector database question answer details as well, because chatbot is based on question and answers, right? So let's start. How it will work is I'll come to this particular website and I will just click on the chat and I'll say, hey, uh, can I know the details of the webinar? Let's see what it answers. Okay, see, the digital assistant workshop webinar is scheduled for July 12th, 2025, starting 9 a.m. Blah, blah, blah. It is a live online event aimed at individuals with no prior AI knowledge. The workshop covers fundamentals of AI agent creation, all these things. It's perfect for those to AI and automation entrepreneurs, blah, 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 blah. Now, it's asking me, could you please provide me your name, phone numbers, email, and let me know what you are interested in? So basically, these things you have to fine tune it, because this is the first time I'm integrating it to the website, and we can fine tune it to put these things first uh, before giving these details. So anyways, let me give the details. So I will say the details as anything, like let's say Ravi, then email is r@r.com, phone number is 1234567 2345678, and interest is in AI automation, right? Let's see. Thank you, Ravi. I have noted your interest in AI automation. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Okay, so fine. Let me see if this particular flow is working all okay. The Ravi should be actually captured in this particular Google Sheet. And yes, boom, Ravi is captured with this particular email and AI automation. So it's working. So basically, this particular automation works. And the last execution which succeeded is just now. This is where you can see the logs and other things. Um, this particular thing, website, this is using live tokens of mine using the OpenChat AI, OpenAI. Hence, I will be actually disabling it. And if you need to test it out, if you need to test it out, please ping me on this particular details which I can give you, or in the below of this particular video, or in the schools where I am there to help you out. Okay. Cheers and see you soon.